Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Sean, and if you landed here, you're watching Scar My Guitar. Now I get asked a lot of questions on the channel, but I think the one I get asked the most, what's the bare minimum tools we need to make a guitar from start to finish?
Now our first item that we're going to need is probably going to be some kind of sanding tool. Best thing I can think of is my little drill attachment. Now this isn't the one I use because I get it from Home Depot, but it's the same thing. And it already comes with some sandpaper. So let's grab that guy. Now we're going to grab this jigsaw too, because we're going to need something to cut our boards. We don't have a bandsaw. Probably going to need a jigsaw. We're going to grab this inner twist 20 volt max cordless drill too. Why? Because it comes with drill bits. It's rechargeable. We can carry it around the shop all day. It's really cool. Now we're going to grab this Avid power router that I was telling you about. It also comes with a few bits, but the main thing it comes with is this guide right here. That's the guy we're looking for right there. It's really cheap too. $60 for all that. Ooh, now we're going to do router bits too, but this is a 35-piece set. It's got everything we're possibly going to need in there and then some. Now we're going to grab this wind. Look, this is a brand new tool. I just showed it on the live stream the other day. $50 for an oscillating spindle sander. Holy crap. Of course we're going to need a hand planer. Look at that price, $50. Now these aren't affiliate links. I get nothing for this. I'm just trying to show you guys. Look at this. All the tools you need for your fretworks right there. With this little fret saw down here. I think that fret saw, yeah, was almost $14. Fret saw and the tools you need. Even comes with some little sanding for the cleanup on the frets on the end for the leveling. Everything is right there. And we're going to need a radius block to radius our fretboard. Let's go with this 12-inch radius block right here. It looks like it's pretty long. Probably going to be easy to use. Let's throw it in the cart. The total's $337.85.
Now as you can see, I have the tools right here that we need. But what I need from you is...
So what style guitar would you like to see me make? Put it down there in the comments, because we're going to make the guitar and we're going to give it away to somebody in the live chat. Now I'm going to make a video of me making the guitar. And the guys that comment on the video and show up in the live chat, they're the ones that are going to be eligible to win it. Rule number 1, it's got to be hardtail. String through the body. Rule number 2, I get to pick the wood, because you're a bonehead and you don't know what you're doing. And rule number 3 is, USA only, boys. Sorry. Now I'm going to be watching the comments to see what you say. I'll go with majority rules. We can do a Strat, a Tele, a PRS style, Explorer, whatever. Now if you've drawn some cool headstock and body shape that you think I might like, send me that guy on Facebook or Instagram message. And you already know it's going to have bona fide pickups. The guitar that I think deserves to be made, the one I'm going to make. Now if you want to get involved in this giveaway, you're going to need to hit that notification bell. And I'm going to make you a really good video on how to build this guitar. I'm even going to show you how to set the tools up, like how to change the sandpaper, how to change the drill bits, how to change the router bits. We'll even talk about safety features. Now I can't wait to see what you maniacs come up with. I'll be posting the video probably in the next 3 weeks. I really appreciate you watching. Don't you forget, don't you touch my Scar guitar.